wake up, you hug your partner. And when they come back from work, you hug your partner. And it creates that oxytocin in you or whatever. And that creates a bond between you. Especially in your intimate relationship. Cuddles and compliments. Women in the room, how many of you would love this? Men in the room, what is your status on this? Just increase the cuddles. Now come on, all of you who are sitting with your spouse. Book chodo, haath pakdo. You learn more from that touch than you will from all this writing. True or not? So I want you to create routines and rituals. I remember I had gone somewhere abroad to study and there was a sex therapist on stage and she said that there was a study done where if you spend 6 seconds, I don't know if it's 6 seconds or 20 seconds, I hear different versions, but she had said 6 seconds of when you wake up, you hug your partner, and when they come back from work, you hug your partner, and it creates that oxytocin in you or whatever, and that creates a bond between you. And I remember one of the words I started to use for my life to improve every relationship of mine is delighted. I am delighted to see my husband every morning. I'm delighted to see my children. My children say, Mummy, just delay your delight by 10 minutes. I'm very happy you're so delighted, but let me wake up, then you get delighted. But you know what I mean, right? And every morning, Puneet and I, the way we wake each other up, the way we address each other, it is so sweet. It feels so good. So I'd love for you to create a routine and ritual of delight. And this could just sometimes be 6 seconds of hugging. And sometimes we'll have staff around, so we'll do 6 seconds of handshake, thinking like we are hugging because he'll be like, sab dekh rahe hai. And I say, Pati Patni hai, problem kya hai? There's always in the relationship, one will be the shy one and one will be the over. I'm the over, clearly. And he'll be like, dekh rahe. I'm like, देखने दो भाई, साथ वाले घर को भी थोड़ा मजा लेने दो. Cuddles and compliments. Now compliments, for anybody, for women especially, I believe a lot of us, our love language is words of appreciation. And because words of appreciation is our love language, that just you noticing me. You know, for so many of us, love is actually just attention. That you gave me your attention. That's all I want, your attention. Sometimes the attention can be, अरे अच्छी लग रही है सुबह सुबह. Sometimes the attention can be, चल फूल अच्छे लगा दिए. It doesn't matter. It doesn't always have to be about, but that I got your attention. You know, men, start showering your woman with attention. You will see her blossom in ways where so much of her has died in the process of just being the roles that she is. Wife, mother, daughter-in-law. How many of you know that, right? Cuddles and compliments. So my husband, how many of you remember he's forgetful? He's now become very smart because he's very organized. He's forgetful, but he's very organized. So he has a reminder on his phone at 7 p.m. which says, compliment puja. Sounds so silly, na? Works like magic. Okay, the first 1 week, it'll be very awkward. Tell me, when you were learning cycling, the first time sitting on the cycle was awkward? When you went to the gym, when you started swimming, when you try anything new, is it awkward or not? So everything else you cross the awkward stage. Why you can't cross this में awkward stage? ठीक है, शुरू में compliment पूजा बड़ी अच्छी लग रही है. Like reminder आया ना? But you know what happened over time? It became genuine and it became real. And then he didn't even need a reminder. The practice had made him perfect. How many of you are realizing that? Yeah. Every morning now when he wakes up, he knows that, okay, Pooja becomes very happy अगर उसको एक दो अच्छी चीजें बोल दो. Sometimes I'll say, आज 3 दे सकते हो. ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है. ढूंढो. Sometimes I'll tell him, अच्छा कुछ नया ढूंढते हैं ना, मैं बोर हो गई हूँ same के साथ. Okay. He's like, now you're pushing it. Be happy with what you're getting. Okay, fair enough. Play. Wasn't we talking about playing? We are playing with each other, right? So it keeps the... So compliments, again, such an important thing. And I know that for me, I'll thrive. So he has that reminder. There's nothing wrong, hello everybody, in actually bringing in routines, rituals, practices, reminders in your relationship. There's nothing wrong with that. You have a planned date night. Do you have a date night, everybody? Please go back and start date nights. I started date nights in 2009. Every Wednesday, now it's been over 15 years of doing those Wednesday date nights. I don't think we've missed more than 25 in 15 years. Because it's become, I love eating out, Delhi girl. He hates eating out, healthy boy. So anytime I would say, मुझे बाहर ले जाओ, he would say, तू ना टेबल गेट के बाहर ही लगा ले. तेरे को बस बाहर खाना है. And I said, मेरे को once a week भी ले जाओ ना तो I'm happy. So now the date night does all of that for me. It takes me out also, it makes us work also, we do the questions also, we connect also. First time we went for a date night, he said, Buck. He's like, you all the time बोलना है, मुझे कुछ बोलना है, क्या बोलना है, बोल. 5 minutes के बाद I had nothing to बोल. How many of you are realizing we have a lot to say, but we just need 5 minutes. We don't need 5 hours. Sometimes you just want to update the man and then you feel complete. True or not? So I said, ये बक वक के साथ में बोले, पूजी princess, please बोलो. He's like, पूजी princess, please बोलो. In the beginning, this is how it will look. What am I doing here? I'm preparing you that your man may not cooperate or he may not feel or that energy, but do it anyway. Can I tell you, sooner than later, it will become the natural way in your relationships. Everybody with me? Cuddles. आते जाते. उसको नहीं टच किया तो किसको टच किया भाई? Correct or no? Little bit of that extra connection is required. If we have to bring in that little bit of one peck here and one stealing of touch there. Some couples have become cactus to each other. You know, I heard a very interesting story about how the male porcupine relaxes the female porcupine, and I loved that story. For those of you who already heard it, it's such a cute thing that he'll go to the back when he wants to mate with her. He'll go to the back, her quills are all up. He'll come in front and keep caressing her. The quills will settle, he'll again go to the back, check, it's still not settled fully, he'll come back and keep caressing her. And a time comes on the journey when she's ready for him. How beautiful. How many of you know our intimacy actually starts way before the bedroom, true or not? So we have to bring in all of that. Do you have a cuddle corner? Do you have a way of sitting with your spouse? Do you have routines and rituals where you are working with your loving relationship? Now, if you are not in a good relationship, you can't start that from today. It will be awkward. So you need to first build your friendship and then bring in the cuddles. Build the compliments, then bring in the cuddles.